Hello everyone, welcome to Mayu Catering Services. In today's video, I'm come to show you how you can make coconut chips. It's very yummy and easy to make it. This is the ingredients you need it. You need 1 coconut. I'm using 1 coconut to do this recipe. You break it, you take the fruit out and you peel the skin like this one. You take the water out. Yeah, the water, don't throw it away because you are going to use it. And you grate it. You see how I'm making it, but please be careful with your hand. Yeah, okay. And you see, this is how it's supposed to look. And you take your cheesecloth or clean kitchen towel, you can use it, and you squeeze it like this one. You see, you are going to use this water, so don't throw it away. This is supposed to look. You put it aside. You take your clean bowl, you add your all-purpose flour to it. You add nutmeg, add a pinch of salt, yeah, and you mix all together. Add the sugar, you mix it, and you add the butter or margarine. Yeah, I use the butter, but if you have margarine too, you can use it, and then you rub nicely. Add the coconut, because this one you have removed the milk and water, so you add this one. This one you're supposed to add it now, and you rub it nicely like this. Put it aside. Take the coconut milk and water, this one, and you add your milk to it. Add the vanilla essence and you mix it. And you add it to your flour. The one you have already mixed it down, you add it to it and you mix all together like this. Then you knead it. After finish kneading it, you let be sit down for 10 to 15 minutes before flatten. So sprinkle small flour on the surface. You are going to flatten your dough, and you divide it into 2. And you use rolling pin to flatten it. You make it like this, the way I'm making it, yeah. And after that, you use knife to cut it like this, or if you have chips cutter, you can use it, or if you have pizza cutter, you can use to cut it. Yeah, you cut it like this, yeah, or any shape you prefer to cut it, you can make it. But this one is very good for snack, coffee break. Yeah, it's good for that, especially hotel and restaurants. If you want to make your coffee break and get this snack, it tastes very nice. Yeah, so when you cut all like this, then you use your scissors. Yeah, this one also, any shape you prefer to cut it, you can cut it. Yeah, so when you're cutting like this, you cut one finish, spring small flour on top, and you cut another. Or if you can make it small like this, it's okay. So this is supposed to look, yeah. You see, it's very easy and simple recipe, and it tastes very yummy. Yeah, so it's very nice. For you make this, you put on your airtight container and you sit in your center table or your dining table. It is very nice. So I finished cutting it, put oil on fire. This is deep frying, so if the oil is hot, you can see it. You see I'm testing it, that's why I put one. I want to check it if it's hot. Then you starting frying it until golden brown, but set your fire to medium high temperature. Yeah, otherwise it will bend. Yeah, be careful with your hand too, please. You see how it's look? Yeah, it's ready. And you remove it. Yeah, it's ready, so you remove it. So when it's ready, you can test it. You can see it's ready. Yeah, you see I put kitchen tissue. Yeah, then you remove your chips. It's very yummy, and it's very easy to make it. And you let be cool before you serve, or you can store in airtight container until you finish eating. Enjoy. Please follow all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there on my YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Like it, comment, and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.